Imagine waking up one day and realizing the sun hasn't risen. It's not cloudy, it's not an eclipse. The sun is just gone. No light, no warmth, just darkness. What would happen if the sun suddenly turned off for 24 hours? Could Earth survive the blackout? Could we? Let's find out. The moment the sun turns off, we wouldn't notice right away. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So for those first 8 minutes, everything would seem normal. Then, boom, instant darkness. No sunrise, no daylight. A wave of confusion and panic spreads across the globe. Without sunlight, Earth begins to cool almost immediately. While the surface wouldn't freeze instantly, temperatures would start to fall quickly. Within hours, global temperatures could drop by several degrees. After 24 hours, the average temperature could fall by more than 10 degrees Celsius, or 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Cities near the equator might still be tolerable, but many colder regions would begin to freeze. Plants need sunlight for photosynthesis. No sunlight means no energy production. If the sun stayed off for just one day, most plants would survive, but their biological clocks would be thrown off. Some sensitive crops could be damaged. Animals, especially those active during the day, would be confused. Birds might not wake. Nocturnal animals would emerge too early. Natural rhythms would break down. Cities would light up in confusion. Emergency services would be totally overwhelmed. People would flood grocery stores just fearing an apocalypse. Power grids would struggle to meet the sudden demand for light and heat. In places with solar power dependence, energy systems could, falter. But there's one upside: it's only 24 hours. If people knew that, most systems could actually handle it. With no sunlight, the sky would go completely black. Stars would become visible even in cities. The Milky Way would shine brightly across the night sky. It would be beautiful, and honestly, deeply unsettling. Satellites and the International Space Station would notice the drop in solar radiation. Solar-powered spacecraft could temporarily go dark. Humans are hardwired to follow light cycles. A sudden 24-hour night could increase anxiety, depression, and stress. Sleep patterns would be disrupted, productivity would plummet, and fear, more than darkness, might cause the most chaos. If the sun reappeared after 24 hours, Earth would recover, though slowly. Temperatures would warm, plants would resume photosynthesis, animals would readjust. But we'd be left with some serious questions. What happened? Could it happen again? And how close are we to losing the one thing that gives life to our planet? So what if the sun turned off for 24 hours? Technically, Earth would survive. Humanity would too. But it would be a massive wake-up call. The sun is more than a light in the sky. It's the reason we exist. What would you do if the sun didn't rise tomorrow? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more mind-blowing science from Brain Spark.